Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new to this channel, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. You'll find the link in the comment section. So, let's see what we'll be expecting this week on the gold. By the way, we will be expecting this bullish move. There are two ways we are going to be looking at it, on the technical aspect and on the fundamental aspect. Now let's take a look at the fundamental aspect. We all know that gold is actually a safe haven currency. So when there's kind of like a world crisis or there's uncertainty in the market, investors tends to move their money to gold, and the gold will actually rise, as you can see in this Iran and Israel situation. So there's kind of like uncertainty going on. So this is one of the reasons why gold is likely to spike. Now let's take a look at it on the technical. We can see that it is actually ranging within this level. We can see it dropped to this our support, then it came up. We can see it came to this our support level, pushed up. We can see it came to this our support level. Then we are going to expect it to actually come to this our resistance level again. Once it comes to this our resistance level here, then expect it to drop to this your support level, then again to our resistance level. So I'm going to give you guys more updates on the movement on gold. To stay updated, follow our Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.